Welcome to Forex Troubles. Today we'll be analyzing US30, NAS100, and Xauusd, which is gold. So, as I've analyzed last week, we have seen that I've said there's a possibility that US30 is gonna push to the lower side. So we did have this kind of a pattern. So on this one, it's just a continuation of US30. And make sure guys that you subscribe so you can get the signals that we share on our community part on our channel, because you can upload videos every day. So make sure you subscribe and check those signals out, because it's literally signals almost every day. So without wasting time, let's get into today's video. Okay, this is what we have on the daily time frame. Bear in mind guys, we had first, second, third touch over there. So from that point here, let me just go to the 4-hour time frame. As I emphasized last time, I told you guys not to sell US30 up until we break this level here. So if you did place your pending order right here, you can see you're in good profits. I know some of you all closed some of those profits. As you can see, this the market did open from the point over here, so like this. So this is currently could be a signal like this, up until, sorry about that, could be a signal from the point to over here, and a stop loss will be right over somewhere here. Let me just use this so I can, okay, so this is a risky trade for us, but we are in profit already. So but you can see how the market did move. So this was just an impulse move and it closed right over here. So we don't know if the market is going to push back to the inside, but yeah, we are in a good place over here. And if we keep on analyzing, to just always check what's really going on, so we can see, let me just use the dash lines so we can see properly. Let me remove this for now. So we can see, let us remove this as well, because we are no longer using this two. So I'm trying by all means to keep my class as clean as possible. So we had first, second, and we can see that we are breaking this level over here. So and bear in mind we have this level over here, which is well respected as well. So which is currently this level over here. Let me just use a zone so we can just move it fast. So we are below this level, and we did close below it on the 4-hour time frame. And if we just dig deeper into the 1-hour time frame, we're gonna see that the market is gonna push to the lower side. So from here, we don't have much happening because we are having a kind of movement like this. I don't know which kind of setup is this, but just hope. But as you can see, guys, we had another touch over here before we pushed to the lower side. So this is this is promising for us to show us that we could anticipate a push to the lower side. So I'll just roll this. So currently we are pushing to lower side. So I'll just move to the 1-hour time frame to just confirm everything. As I've said, we did break below this level over here, and you see that we closed below here on the 1-hour time frame. So we could still possibly see the sell momentum continuing, because you can see this is a long week. So yeah, so that's what we have mostly. Because if we do have this trend line as well, let me just move this lower one here to show you guys. From here we are pushing to the lower side, then from here we did break out of this pattern. In order for us to just sell down here, we went up again, but we did come and respect this trend line over here. So currently this is what we have on the USD. So this could be our first take profit somewhere right over here. So we are still going for the sellers on USD up until here at least, or up until where we are just showing you guys on the daily time frame, because this could be a potential big so movement. So I don't know, was it here guys or here? Okay, I'll just fix it. So we are anticipating a potential sell move up until this area here. So for US30, we are going for sellers. So that'll be all for US30. Let us move to NAS100. Okay, now we are on NAS100. Guys, even last time I did analyze this thing, signal still the same. Um, okay, so we did see a touch over there, kind of like pushing to the lower side over here. That's what I'm seeing on the daily time frame. So I'll just zoom into, sorry, the 4 hour time frame. Um, okay, basically, this is what we have on the 4 hour time frame. So for those who did listen to me last time, who did take my advice on this index on the 100, I told you guys from here we're gonna buy. But it's possible that it could take most or take profits over here. Then we're gonna wait up until the market hits this area here and does a retest, then we're gonna buy more again. But as you can see, the market just hit this area here. Our first take profits went all in, and then the market failed to go above this level. Hence, it went to the lower side. So we did catch a trade from let me see how we did. Okay, so from here to there, and it was proper. It was a proper trade for us. So on the 4 hour time frame, this is a lot, to be honest, especially on NAS100. So this is how we did. And currently the market from this point over here went to the lower side. Let me just remove this line for now. And let me just remove it forever because we're not gonna use it anymore. So for those who did listen to me, who did take my advice, we're in profits. So currently this is the situation that we have on NAS100. So I don't want to waste more time. I'll just show you the levels that I'm seeing here. So this is the significant level, but we can see that here is kind of like a zone. So we're gonna do it like this because this is the zone I'm seeing, because this area here is also being represented. So you can't just use one straight line. So I'm just gonna put it over here as well. So you see how tricky is the situation. So we don't really know if the market is gonna push up until this area here, or it's gonna just bounce off this area and goes to the upper side. But bear in mind, I did not remove this line over here. So the moment we are above this line, we are going for the buyers. If the market doesn't reach this area here, if it does break this line, we are going for the buyers. What I'm saying, guys, is that if the market doesn't touch this area here, you're going for the buyers from here up until here, somewhere there where the overall target will be at. But current, and then you want to take off his profit, first take profit here, second take profit here, third take profit over there. But if it happens that the market reaches this area right over here, we are safely safe to say you're gonna take it from there. Hence our signal will be like this at the moment. Will be like from here uh, and up until over there. You can see there's a lot of more pips and the risk reward is quite beneficial to our side. So I'm gonna let me remove this for now. So but bear in mind, I'm seeing another things happening over here. What am I seeing? What am I seeing? So this is what I'm seeing on the market. So it is possible for the market to try to reach this level right over here due to this trend line over here. So let us cater for the upper side as well for NAS100. Okay, so if the market does touch this area here, just know we're gonna go for it up until this area here. So most of our take profit is gonna be here. So forget what I've said, but if the market touches area here, the most of our take profit is gonna be over here. Let me just use this line over here so you can see the coordinates. There are the coordinates over there. And then, yeah, this could be a possible signal for NAS100. But if the market doesn't reach this area here, we're gonna wait up until this area here. If you break this level over here to the upper side, then we are going for the buyers. But I think now we're gonna wait for NAS100 to complete the sellers. If it does complete the sellers and touch this area here, So this is what we only have for NAS100. There's nothing more that I can do. All you have to do is just be patient and wait for NAS100. So yeah, that will all for NAS100. Let me just move to XAUUSD. Okay, so we are now on XAUSD, which is gold on a daily time frame. As you can see, I haven't done anything over here. So I'm just gonna do a quick analysis so I don't take much time on this video because I'm already running out of minutes. So as you can see, you have a trend line over there, the lower trend line, and over here we have the upper trend line. So I'm just gonna use the lines. Okay, so this is what you have. You can see that on the lower side, gold is on its third touch, and on the upper side we had like a lot of touches. So yeah, so these are the levels that I'm seeing on gold. So if you don't understand how I do these levels, just go to the description and click that. You're gonna see a video written lesson 1. That's where you learn how to draw support, resistance, or the levels on the market. So now I'm done. As you can see, there are some levels over here, but I'm not gonna get into them now. We had first, second, third touch. So we're anticipating a push to the upper side on gold. So this is the overall. So now I'm just showing you guys the daily movement for gold. So just know when you're analyzing gold, you're gonna be looking for mostly buying opportunities as we are on the third trend line. So this one is broke. Okay, cool. Let me just move to the 4-hour time frame um, to see what we really have. So I give you a little bit of an idea of what you should expect when it comes to gold. So we can safely say, you can see this level over here. You can use the zone. It's a big zone. I'll just reduce it. Okay, okay, right over here. So this is what we have over here, and we currently see. What if we try to draw a trend line from here? See, this is what we have. So you can see that gold is currently inside on the inside. And some may be like, you can draw a trend line from here. You can draw a trend line from here as well. But that didn't make sense to you. So this is currently seems like gold has been like falling down. So if I try to use the body of the candlestick, you're gonna see this correctly. So I'll just draw this one over here. As doesn't have a lot of fun for us because we do have this level over here. So the upper side as well is like this. We have this over here. So currently on gold, we are looking for buying opportunities. Currently, you're gonna see from this point over here, you can see you're gonna see a push up until here. If we do see a push like this, just know we are going for the buyers when it comes to gold. And we also have this level right over here. So this is just a quick analysis for you guys, just a bonus signal for y'all to know that when it comes to gold, regardless of what you do, just in terms of the long-term run, just wait for more buying opportunities because you can see this is what we have. So this is just a daily signal analysis, to be honest, to show you guys that on gold we should anticipate more buying opportunities due to this level over here. So as you can see, I've not done a lot of analysis. It's just a quick review on how to do gold and how to trade gold this upcoming week. So yeah, that'll be all from us. FX Travels signing out.